Hey everyone, welcome to today's reading lesson. Today we're going to take it a little bit easy. We're going to do just a few questions about the Three Little Pigs. Our story today is the Three Little Pigs. So the story is a little bit different because where it doesn't tell the story exactly how you remember it. But it's really good to remember, and it's really good to just kind of look at the book and kind of see what's going on. This time I will let you read it on your own. So after I read it. So we're gonna go back to that model for right now. Alright, so before we start reading, let's look at the book. Here we have the wolf. Then we have the Three Little Pigs. And as we know, the Three Little Pigs build a brick house, right? The last one does. And here we have the wolf. The door. And notice that they're still in the brick house. So what happens with the brick house? It doesn't fall, right? And here we have the wolf. Wolf trying to blow the house down. Getting everywhere. I'm not sure where they got that ladder from. Up at the roof. And of course they try to get the wolf to do something else. Now, something to keep in mind is sometimes when you read the story of the Three Little Pigs, it might be a little bit different than what you're used to. So, some stories might have this version where the wolf gets up on the roof. Sometimes it doesn't. It just depends. And we have the wolf here. Does not look good for the wolf. Alright, so let's go ahead and read the story. Are you ready? Alrighty. Three Little Pigs. H is for house. W is for wolf. D is for door. N is for no, no, no. B is for blow. Huff, puff. R is for roof. F is for fire. S is for splash. Alrighty, so I will go ahead and let you read this book on your own, and then we will come back again and read it and talk about it. And one thing that I forgot to mention was ow, 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 ow. Right, so the wolf doesn't look very happy. All right, so first, before we talk about it, let's discuss the story of the Three Little Pigs. So the Three Little Pigs, the Three Little Pigs are brothers, right? It looks like they're actually siblings. So usually they're brothers, they're siblings. Siblings means that they are brother and sister. Here it looks like we have a sister. Um, so our story begins that one builds a straw house, the other one builds one out of sticks, and the other one builds one out of a brick, right? So here we have the wolf. That's the other character in the Three Little Pigs. But then what happens before they get to the brick house? Do you remember in the story? So in the story, first the wolf blows down the wolf asks if they can come in because they're knocking, right? So the hay house, he blows it down. The stick house, he blows it down, and they finally go to the brick house where it is more sturdy and stronger, right? So why do you think he tries to blow down the brick house? That's right, because the straw house fell, the stick house fell, and he thought that the um brick house would also fall, but as you can see that was not the case, right? And every time he always has to come inside first, but when the piggy said no, 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 um he got upset, right? So with the brick house, what happened at the brick house and that didn't happen with the other houses is that he was kind of trying to get around it, trying to get inside of the house. Here, he tries to go down the. Does anyone know what this is called? Yeah, it's called the chimney. So he tries to go down the chimney, and is he successful? No, right? He gets burned, possibly very, very badly, right? So the three little pigs work together. This whole time they are working together to keep the wolf out, right? Okay. So, and that's that. In the story that you may have heard, the wolf also they either chase him or sometimes they kill him. It just depends on the tale. And I like this book because you can practice these letters right here too. So it's always good to practice these letters. Alrighty, everyone. So that is our story for today. It's very short, very sweet, and I hope you enjoyed it. Just a reminder that today is our last reading and math lesson. For now, we will take a break next week. So next Monday through Friday, I am not going to upload any videos. Just a reminder to keep working. If you haven't been working on your Khan Academy a lot, you can go ahead and catch up on that. I'll go ahead and assign some homework on there. Otherwise, take a break, take a mental break, and we will come back at it on, let me see the date, on July, that's June, on July 6th. I will see you then. Alright, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you enjoy the math lesson, and I will see you next time. I'll see you in class.